Vai. E aí, tudo bem?
Beleza.
Tudo bem? Tudo bem, brasileiro, Brasil. Vem pro Vasco.
Vem pro Vasco, vem pro Corinthians.
We're here at Newcastle United Training Grounds with our LUX-75 unit. We are running two experiences today. One is the goalkeeper challenge, where players are trying to catch penalties taken by Bruno Guimarães.
Hey, Bruno.
I know that guy.
Love to see you, Bruno.
Do I get a handicap because I'm missing fingers? Is that the way it works? Checking. I was just getting it in before I'm terrible.
Oh my god.
I need to see Bruno do this. This is not easy, you know.
Yes. How many seconds? Oh, yes, 9. Not enough, guys. Sorry, never put me in as a keeper.
Top score to beat. Well done.
Margalit, happy with that.
The second experience that we have here today is a virtual try-on. They can try different Newcastle United kits using AI technology. Yeah, take a photo. Look at the camera. Nice one.
If that gets me shirt on me, then I'll be impressed. Like,
There you go.
hey, that's top.
Then you hit add your mark.
Oh, lovely.
Aperta add your mark.
As your mark. Tunarme. Tunali.
After they see their image with the kit on, they can scan a QR code to get a discount and proceed to purchase online. So you see that's what's happening.
I have 20% off.
Yeah, you can get 20% off as well.
That's a very good machine, huh?
It was very rewarding to see the players experiencing it and having a good time. It's really interesting to see the output of months of development coming to life. Very exciting day, and yeah, looking forward to the next chapter where we see the units in different locations and see how users will engage with it.